5 Clever Hacks to Prevent Fires. A comprehensive guide to fire safety. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a crucial topic for you, fire safety. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 clever hacks to help prevent fires and keep your home and loved ones safe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you never miss our life-saving content. Let's get started. 1. Install and maintain smoke alarms. Smoke alarms are your first line of defense against fires. Ensure you have smoke alarms installed on every level of your home, inside each bedroom, and outside sleeping areas. Test them monthly and replace the batteries at least once a year. 2. Create a fire escape plan. Having a well-practiced fire escape plan can be the difference between life and death. Design a plan that includes 2 ways out of each room and a designated meeting spot outside. Practice your plan with your family at least twice a year. 3. Never leave cooking unattended. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of home fires. Always stay in the kitchen when cooking, especially when using high heat or frying. If you need to leave the room, turn off the stove. 4. Keep flammable items away from heat sources. Make sure to keep flammable items like curtains, clothing, and paper at least 3 feet away from heat sources like stoves, heaters, and fireplaces. This helps prevent accidental ignition. 5. Regularly inspect electrical cords and outlets. Damaged electrical cords and overloaded outlets can cause fires. Regularly inspect cords for fraying or damage, and never overload outlets or use extension cords for high wattage appliances. If you notice any issues, have a professional electrician address them. By following these 5 clever hacks, you'll be well equipped to prevent fires and keep your home and loved ones safe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss our life-saving content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Stay safe, everyone.